The average backpacker spends $370 on an Osprey without asking what that price is actually buying them. Most of the time, it is buying a retail presence, not performance. There are 7 backpack brands that flipped that model. Thru hikers use them. Most people at REI have never heard of them. Today we expose all 7. And number 1 costs $105 less than the pack REI recommends first. Number 7. Granite Gear. Granite Gear was founded in 1986 in Two Harbors, Minnesota, a town of 3,700 people on the shore of Lake Superior. No venture capital, no private equity. A small team building packs for people who actually use them in the backcountry, not on airport carousels. The Crown 360 retails for $240. It weighs 2 pounds 9 ounces, half a pound lighter than the Osprey Atmos AG65 at $370. The refit hip belt adjusts without tools. You slide it, lock it, hike. No professional fitting session required. The frame sheet is removable, dropping the weight to 2 pounds flat for ultra-light loads. Treeline review found the Robic nylon on the Crown 3 more durable than the 100D nylon Osprey uses on the Exos and Ija at the same price. You are carrying a lighter, more durable pack for $130 less than the Osprey Atmos. The money Granite Gear does not spend on lifestyle marketing is the money they spend on the refit system. That is the entire business model. Why it is a gold mine, half a pound lighter than Osprey Atmos, more durable Robic nylon than Osprey Exos, $130 less from a company that has never been acquired. But number 6 was built by someone who got so frustrated with bad backpacks that he built his own in a garage in Maine. Number 6, Hyperlite Mountain Gear. Hyperlite Mountain Gear was founded in 2010 in Biddeford, Maine by Mike St. Pierre, a seasoned outdoorsman who was tired of backpacks that were too heavy, too wet, and too fragile for the mountains he was actually hiking. He started building his own in his garage. That garage is now a factory. The Hyperlite Southwest 55 retails for $399. It weighs 1 pound 14.6 ounces. The Osprey Atmos AG65 weighs 4 pounds 12 ounces. That is nearly 3 pounds of difference. 3 pounds that expend 5 times more energy per mile than the same weight in your pack. Over a 20-mile day, that difference is not a number, it is exhaustion. The fabric is Dyneema woven composite, approximately 15 times stronger than steel by weight. It is fully waterproof without a rain cover. The Osprey Atmos requires a separate rain cover. Hyperlite's pack is the rain cover. Most outdoor retailers stock Hyperlite but never feature it. The brand spends nothing on advertising. The product does the work. Why it is a gold mine. 1 pound 14.6 ounces versus Osprey's 4 pounds 12 ounces. Dyneema fabric that is waterproof without a cover. A garage startup that outperforms a $414 million acquisition. Number 5 has been the most popular pack on the Appalachian Trail, and most hikers at REI have never heard of it. Number 5. Gossamer Gear. Gossamer Gear was founded in 1998 in Austin, Texas, by Glenn Van Pesky, an engineer who started making ultralight gear for himself and his hiking friends because nothing on the market matched what serious hikers actually needed. The company grew entirely through word of mouth on trail. That is still how most people find it. The Mariposa 60 retails for $315. It weighs 2 pounds 1 ounce and carries up to 35 pounds comfortably. Outdoor Gear Lab named it the best ultralight backpack on the market in 2026. According to the Trek's annual Appalachian Trail survey, the Mariposa is the most used pack on the Appalachian Trail. Not popular at REI. Popular among people who have walked 2,000 miles and tested every alternative. The frame is removable, converting to a frameless pack for ultralight loads under 15 pounds. The hip belt pivots with your movement rather than fighting it. technology that Gregory and Osprey implement at significantly higher weight. Gossamer Gear does it at 2 pounds. Why it is a gold mine. Most popular pack on the Appalachian Trail. Named Best Ultralight Backpack of 2026 by Outdoor Gear Lab. Removable frame that converts to frameless at 2 pounds. But number 4 is the discovery that makes every Osprey buyer genuinely angry. It is the brand that literally invented the suspended mesh back panel that Osprey now charges premium prices for. Number 4. Deuter. Deuter was founded in 1898 in Augsburg, Germany. That was the same year Saucony started making shoes in Pennsylvania. Over 125 years of load-carrying engineering. That foundation shows in every pack they make. Deuter introduced the first back-length adjustment system in 1972 and the first suspended mesh back panel in 1984. That trampoline design is what Osprey and Gregory now charge premium prices for. Before Deuter, backpacks transferred load to the shoulders. Deuter moved it to the hips. Every suspended mesh backpack you see on the trail today exists because of what Deuter figured out in a German factory. Osprey was founded in 1974 and spent their first decade catching up. The Deuter Air Contact Core 50 Plus 10 retails for $280. It uses Deuter's VariFlex hip belt, a suspension system that allows each side of the hip belt to move independently, adjusting to uneven terrain without pulling the pack off your back. Osprey's anti-gravity suspension does something similar. Osprey charges $370 for the Atmos. Deuter charges $280 for a pack with 125 more years of engineering behind it. Why it is a gold mine. It invented the suspended mesh back panel in 1984. VariFlex suspension for $90 less than Osprey. 125 years of German load-carrying engineering. Quick one, if you like finding gear that the big brands don't want you to know about. Subscribe to the Trail Standard. We find the gold mines every week. Back to it. Number 3 has been making backpacks since before most outdoor brands existed and charges $140 less than Osprey for the same suspension system. Number 3. Osprey Talon 44. Wait, Osprey is on a gold mine list? Yes, but not the Osprey everyone buys. Osprey was founded in 1974 in Santa Cruz, California by Mike Pfotenhauer. In 2021, Helen of Troy, the same conglomerate that owns OXO Kitchen Tools and Honeywell fans, acquired Osprey for $414 million. The Atmos AG65 retails for $370 and is the pack REI staff recommend first. It weighs 4 pounds 12 ounces. The Osprey Talon 44 retails for $230. It weighs 2 pounds 6 ounces. It uses the same Osprey suspension engineering, the same hip belt, the same harness geometry, the same load transfer system. The difference is capacity and padding. For 3-season weekend trips with a reasonable gear load, the Talon carries everything the Atmos carries at $140 less and 2 pounds less. Most hikers walk straight to the Atmos because REI staff are trained to upsell to the flagship model. The Talon is the pack Osprey sells to people who know what they actually need. Why it is a gold mine. Same Osprey suspension as the $370 Atmos, $140 less, 2 pounds lighter. The pack Osprey sells to people who ask the right questions. Number 2 has been building backpacks for 20 years and makes a pack that weighs less than your water bottle. Number 2, Zpacks. Zpacks was founded in 2005 in Jupiter, Florida by Joe Valesco, a thru hiker who completed the Appalachian Trail and came home unable to find an ultralight pack that matched what he had learned about what thru hiking actually required. He started building his own. 20 years later, Zpacks is the most trusted ultralight cottage brand in American backpacking. The Zpacks Arc Haul Ultra 60 retails for $399. It weighs 1.5 pounds. The Osprey Exos 58 Pro weighs 2 pounds 3 ounces and costs $320. Zpacks costs $79 more and weighs significantly less. On a 500-mile section hike, that difference is not a number. It is the difference between arriving at camp with energy and arriving at camp on empty. The arc frame is a carbon fiber arc that curves away from the back, creating natural ventilation without the trampoline mesh that adds weight to Osprey and Gregory designs. Every Zpacks pack is made to order in Florida. Lead time is 2 to 4 weeks. That production model is why the price has not inflated. There is no inventory risk, no retail markup, and no REI commission. Why it is a gold mine. 1.5 pounds carbon fiber arc ventilation. And number 1, under 2 pounds, rated among the best ultralight backpacks of 2026 by Outdoor Gear Lab, costs $105 less than the Osprey Atmos. Number 1, Durston Gear Kakwa 55. Durston Gear was founded in 2019 by Dan Durston, a Triple Crown thru hiker who completed the Appalachian Trail, Pacific Crest Trail, and Continental Divide Trail, and spent those thousands of miles designing the backpack he wished existed. He launched Kakwa as a direct-to-consumer brand with no retail partners and no marketing budget. The Kakwa 55 retails for $265. It weighs under 2 pounds. The frame uses an aluminum tubular system that Durston developed specifically from his experience carrying packs across every terrain type in North America. Not a marketing claim. A documented engineering solution from someone who earned the insight. The shell uses Ultra 200X fabric, a woven UHMW PE material that is several times stronger and more abrasion-resistant than traditional nylon. One reviewer tested the Kakwa as a canyoneering pack through Utah's Slick Rock and Slot canyons, and after half a dozen outings, it still looked almost brand new. Osprey's Atmos AG65 costs $370. The Kakwa costs $265 and was rated among the best ultralight backpacks of 2026 by Outdoor Gear Lab. If you have been buying Osprey because you assumed it was the best available, the Durston Kakwa is the discovery that makes you question every dollar you spent before finding it. Why it is a gold mine. Under 2 pounds. Ultra 200X fabric that survives canyoneering. $105 less than Osprey Atmos, from a brand built by a Triple Crown thru hiker. 7 brands, all ignored at REI. All gold mines on trail. Granite Gear for a lighter pack at $130 less than Osprey. Hyperlite for Dyneema fabric that weighs under 2 pounds. Gossamer Gear for the most popular pack on the Appalachian Trail. Deuter for the brand that invented the suspended mesh back panel. The Osprey Talon for flagship suspension at $140 less. Zpacks for a 1.5 pound pack made to order in Florida. And Durston Gear for a 2 pound or less ultralight pack at $105 less than what everyone is buying. Drop the pack you are currently carrying and tell me if you have heard of any of these 7. Let's find out how many gold mines your gear closet is missing. Out.